Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to make the world's best paper airplane. First, fold this. So from here to here. Now, do the same thing. Fold corner to corner. Okay, then unfold it. Then fold this corner to the line and just leave a little bit of space so the papers don't get crunched up when they are folded. Now unfold it and do the same thing on the other side. This one you can do it right at the line because and I'll fold both of them together. Then fold both corners. Fold the flat side, the top side down until these creases match up with the folds. Just like that. Now, fold in. Then fold in again. Then fold, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you can, then match up the corners and the lines, because either way it still flies excellent. Now, once you have it folded, fold the wings just like this. And make sure this line matches completely perfect with that corner. It doesn't have to be that perfect, but if you can get it, then good job. And do the same on the other side as well. Once you have it folded like this, fold it out so it's like that, sideways. Get your piece of tape and make sure all are secured. And same on the other side too. So. There you go. Add-on time. If you want to fly better, add curls right here and here. So it should look like this and curl. Now I'll give you a demonstration of what it looks like. Thank you.